So hi everyone, good morning. This is Gunjan here from Earth Brigade Foundation. We are here for Project Aquarius. The site name today is Pathan, Jhirya, Madla Range, Panna Tiger Reserve. So if you see, this is a big grassland out here, and what we are going to do here is that there is a well out here, and from that well we are installing a solar system out here which will give water to a huge water body, the camp out here, and also another smaller water body. So the whole idea is that, you know, it is a main tiger area. Lot of tigers roam around in this grassland. There are a lot of herbivorous animals here in this grassland, and it is an important place for conservation. And the Chowki people did not have water out here, so every day they were actually walking 800-900 meters and getting water from a source. So now we are providing them water to the camp itself here. And also Neeraj will show you the water bodies which we are supplying the water. So we'll see the entire process of how we are doing the system. So let's go and enjoy.
बीटगढ़ पठान झिरिया परिक्षेत्र मड़ला, जो यहाँ पर अर्थ ब्रिगेड फाउंडेशन की ओर से ये सोलर पंप लगाया गया है। हमारे यहाँ पानी का स्रोत कम था, इसलिए लगभग 1000 चीतल हैं यहाँ पे ग्रासलैंड में, सांभर हैं, और टाइगर का मूवमेंट अधिकांशतः इसी बीट में रहता है, जिससे पानी के स्रोत के लिए यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने एक कैंप के लिए पानी का बुक किया है, और 2 पानी के साथ एक तालाब में पानी डाला गया है, जो बहुत अच्छा है। अभी
This is Pathan Jhirya. This is one of the water bodies we have provided through our solar pump at Pathan Jhirya camp. Earth Brigade Foundation would like to thank Mr. Ashish Kacholia for his generous support to our solar project. And this is the 3rd site he has supported in Panna Tiger Reserve, and we are extremely grateful to him. We are right now in Pathan Jhirya. This is the Chowki to my right, and this is the 2nd water body that we are filling with the same 1 HP pump. This is the 3rd water body we are supplying. This large water body We hope to fill in another month or so, and this will truly help, bring a lot of the water birds back into this water body. This is all being done through a man-made well, which was in a village which was relocated in 2008, and after 16 years we are using water from this well to help fill this water body. This is the third water body being supplied by the pump at Pathan Jhirya.